We've worked with tens, if not hundreds of organisations, right from supplying drainage pipes that go in the ground, building blocks, through to roof trusses, through to finishing items like flooring and kitchen equipment, right the way from start to finish of a build. And because we have that experience, we understand the challenges that you face in this industry. There will always be ones that we'll see for the first time, but the majority of them, we have the answer for what you need to do to make that really efficient. And we can bring that breadth of experience to your organisation to really drive your productivity and reliability.
In addition to this, our team of consultants are great at listening to your specific requirements and building a solution that helps your business be as efficient as possible.